Have you ever wondered if robots will one day walk among us, not just as machines, but as helpers, companions, and even extensions of ourselves? Well, that future might be closer than you think. If you're fascinated by technology and what's next, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on our deep dives into the world of tomorrow. Today, we're counting down 3 mind-blowing robotics innovations that are just around the corner. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for number 1. It's a real game changer. Let's start with number 3, swarm robotics. Forget the idea of a single super-intelligent robot. The future is about teamwork, and I mean thousands or even millions of tiny robots working together like a colony of ants or a swarm of bees. Imagine a disaster zone after an earthquake. Instead of sending in one large, clumsy robot, you could release a swarm of small, agile bots. They could crawl through tiny crevices in the rubble, mapping out the area, searching for survivors, and relaying real-time data back to rescue teams. Each individual robot is simple, but together, their collective intelligence is incredibly powerful. This isn't just for emergencies either. In agriculture, swarms could meticulously tend to crops, watering and fertilizing each plant exactly as needed, boosting yields and reducing waste. In medicine, nano-sized swarms could one day travel through our bloodstream to target and destroy cancer cells directly, without harming healthy tissue. The potential is enormous, and researchers are making huge strides in coordinating these robotic swarms to perform complex tasks. Coming in at number 2 is a field that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie: soft robotics. For decades, robots have been made of hard, rigid materials like metal and plastic. They're strong and precise, but also heavy, clunky, and often unsafe to work alongside humans. Soft robotics flips that entire concept on its head. Inspired by nature, think of an octopus's arm or a caterpillar's body. These robots are made from flexible, deformable materials like silicone, rubber, and smart fabrics. This makes them incredibly adaptable and safe. Imagine a soft robotic gripper that can gently pick up a delicate piece of fruit without bruising it, or a medical device that can navigate through the human body without causing damage. They can squeeze through tight spaces, absorb impacts, and interact with the world in a much more natural, organic way. We're seeing soft robotic hands that can mimic human touch with amazing dexterity, and even wearable soft exosuits that can help people with mobility issues walk again. This shift from rigid to flexible is making robots more human-friendly and opening up applications we never thought possible. All right, we've reached number 1. The innovation that I believe will have the most profound impact on our daily lives: emotionally intelligent robots. We're not just talking about robots that can perform tasks, but robots that can understand and respond to human emotions through advanced AI cameras and sensors. These robots can analyze our facial expressions, tone of voice, and even body language to gauge how we're feeling. Are you stressed? A companion robot might play some calming music or suggest a break. Are you happy? It might share in your joy. This is a massive leap forward for human-robot interaction. In healthcare, emotionally intelligent robots could provide companionship for the elderly, reducing loneliness and monitoring their well-being. They could assist children with autism in learning social cues in a safe, non-judgmental environment. Imagine a personal assistant that doesn't just manage your schedule, but actually understands when you're feeling overwhelmed and helps you prioritize tasks to reduce anxiety. The goal isn't to replace human connection, but to supplement it, providing support and empathy in situations where a human might not be available. This technology has the power to make our interactions with machines more meaningful, more intuitive, and ultimately, more human. From swarms that can rebuild a city to soft hands that can care for the vulnerable, to companions that can understand our feelings, the future of robotics is shaping up to be less about cold, hard machines and more about intelligent, adaptable partners. The world is changing fast, and these innovations are at the forefront. What do you think? Which of these robotic advancements are you most excited about? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We'll see you in the next one.